In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to troubleshoot and fix Perplexity AI if it isn't working on your Windows, Mac, or mobile device. Let's get started. I'm starting by looking at some of the most common reasons why the service might fail, like network instability, corrupted browser cache, or even VPN conflicts. To fix this on Windows, I'll start by checking my internet connection. Sometimes just restarting the router, switching to Ethernet, or running a quick speed test makes a huge difference. If my connection is solid, I move on to clearing my browser's cache and cookies in the settings menu to ensure a fresh start. Next, I'll check if my VPN or proxy server is blocking the request. I might need to temporarily disable it or add Perplexity to a whitelist. Another quick trick I use is a hard refresh by pressing Ctrl plus F5 to clear temporary page errors. I also make sure my browser, whether it's Chrome, Edge, or Firefox, is running the latest version. If none of that works, I can reach out to the support team with a screenshot of the error and my browser details. Now, if I'm on a Mac, the process is very similar. I check my Wi-Fi, clear the cache for Safari or Chrome, and ensure my VPN isn't causing any interference. I also use Command+R to refresh the page and keep an eye on macOS updates to prevent compatibility issues. Finally, for mobile users on Android or iOS, I find that switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data or toggling airplane mode often resets the connection. I'll also go into my app settings to clear the cache, or simply restart the app entirely. If I'm still seeing errors, I'll try logging out and back in, or even performing a fresh reinstall of the app from the store. By following these basic troubleshooting steps, I can usually resolve most loading or login issues and get back to my research in no time. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.